Hey Paris, blessed, you know, say I.
Oh, yeah, you go first.
Blessed Saturday evening to you, wherever you are. And this is something that we have not done for a long time. We're having with you today dinner, a little mukbang. Yeah, a long time. We promised you some in the summer, but you see what happened? No water. So we are having dinner and we are doing it in a mukbang form. So I'm gonna camera girl show what you have. So if you camera girl, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, hi guys. So
show them for your
we're both eating the same thing today, but mine is just after this because I'm not really that hungry right now. So it's alright. You guys can see. So this is curry chicken. I have one banana, one boiled dumpling. This is cornmeal.
Cornmeal.
Yes, a cornmeal dumpling. I have one, and this is steamed cabbage with onions and red onions and
bell pepper.
Yeah.
Okay, now Paris, I'm having the same thing, but me I do it in a one para style. You know, see for me, curry chicken, cornmeal dumpling. I'm gonna take three, but it look bad. But my fees, I'm gonna get the three and put back one. So I have the good old wow. My water is here. I wanna get problems. Woo. Grace. So I have my good old Chilani yellow yam. Wow, I have some half boiled banana. Look at me here now. Whoa, I know some amount of water. Go find something for mumble. You hear? Nice soft banana. And of course, me have my curry chicken. You see my gravy. Look at my curry gravy. Hard boiled food. And me have some of the steamed cabbage too. So we got here our little, you know, we have used a little paper cup. We have some water. And also, me have my hot pepper, Jamaican hot pepper. So we're going to kick it off and we're going to say a little grace. Yeah? See? Sweet Holy Spirit, we want to thank you for life. We want to thank you for strength. And most of all, we want to thank you for the providence for our food. And also for giving us the strength to prepare it. And also to come and to share with our YouTube family. Thank you, Lord. So, look here. We are going to kick it off right now. Yes, so. Whilst we are eating, we are going to be telling you where we are with the little 5-star backyard. May I put some extra, some hot pepper sauce for mine? Yeah, can have some pepper, but the pepper look worthless. As I tell us, we're not going to market and like that. Oh. So we'll be talking about really because a lot of people been like seriously, and look here, some people might be watching this now and you might be here for just criticizing. You don't have to stay to criticize, because look at me here. Before you start criticizing in the comment section, try to remember this is our food, our kitchen, our home. We are just sharing with you. Okay? And this is who we are. We can never change. And we will never change. Okay? So. Well, cabbage nice, eh? Cabbage tastes nice and crunchy. Now let me cabbage soft in a parry. Caramel dumpling and my curry gravy. I'm still not fine. My right curry. But look here. What prefer me have a parry then send to me, you know. I'm just mix and mash. But it tastes good, don't Parry. Mukbang, you have to eat and talk. Right? I'm a Jamaican woman. When camera girl them want to do for them like she or anybody else want to do for them mukbang, they can go get Kentucky. Me a Jamaican woman. I for cook some authentic Jamaican food for share with my party them for any mukbang, eh? All this about that, come in. I tell you, sir, Angie, I must say Angela go watch this, you know. Lord of God. Angie? So, I'm like seriously saying, I have to eat my Jamaican food to show my party them when I come here for the longest while. I think that I look a feel. Also, to show you, if you come to Jamaica and you want to come spend a change with me, spend some money with me to try some of my food that I prepare. And them food that we are going to prepare. Hard boiled food. Caramel dumpling. Yellow yam. Soft banana. Curry chicken. So, I don't say I will eat now and then. It's a fast food and so, but I have to mukbang my Jamaican food. I have to sell what I do. Okay? I cook Jamaican food, so I've got to sell Jamaican food for my mukbang then. Comment below. Comment what you think about that. Wow! Too much curry left on my mouth. Yo, the curry is shot. I mix and match, and the color look good. Comment, so. Color look good. So, we want to talk a little with you about we look at 5-star backyard. And you see Angie already. We are more than halfway finished. Some people been, you know, hooking me up on Instagram. Debbie, I want to come to you. Debbie, I want to come eat some of your food. And I know they know it's not for free. So, we are fixing it up. That when you come, you can be at home like how Angie was at home. Also, we are putting it in a little way that if you want to stay a night or two with me, you can stay. So, we are all like more than halfway there. We want to be up and running by the end of this month or early next month. I know the cold period. Oh, come on. So, we've got a few things left to do. Yeah. So, we want to put it out there to any of the real, make sure, real parties. We want to try to give a donation to help with a few things that we have left, then you can do so. You want to hook me up on Instagram, and then I can say what and what, and if you want to make a contribution, we will be thankful, we'll be grateful. As I said, we are more than halfway there. When we are through, we are going to be giving them a tour. We are going to be giving you an inside tour of what that space look like. Yeah. And we are trying to put things together. Water is holding us back a certain way though. If you are watching and you are interested in want to get to me and you want to give help in any way, some people are saying, Debbie, go fund me. I don't like that thing. You know, because you know what I notice, the people that don't contribute, they have a whole lot to say. And it's always me. Not that I care, but I just don't want to go there. You know? So, that's where we are at. We have to say camera good. What you have to say about? I'm not one.
Oh, really?
Yellow yam and gravy. Chilani yellow yam. Curry fowl.
Cabbage juice good.
If you talk low, the cabbage is nice. I say, Barry, when Angela Hamilton watch this vlog, you know. No, I'm mukbang now. Angie, I know you're going to be furious. You should have stayed look for more. Oh. Comment if you like what we are eating. Comment if this is your, this is your favorite. Not really favorite, but if you like this Jamaican dish, curry chicken and hard boiled food. Me want to have boiled bread for Laverne. I don't like the young breadfruit. I like the full breadfruit. I want this full breadfruit with this. We're having just ice water. We're good with that. And it's raining though on the outside. It's not, it has been just, you know them kind of stay indoors weather there? Yeah. I'm gonna drink some of the the pot water. The pot soap. I mean, when I'm out of water in about hush. That's why you must come. That's why you must come. Parry. Sometimes I go up on the road. I'm just lazy. I don't want to come home from cook. I don't like to buy one food that don't really care for restaurant food. It's not bad for my cook food. I say I buy food and come home. Tomorrow guys you eat fast food also. But sometimes you go on the road and you feel for some nice food, you know, but
not always. Sometimes I'm up on the road I would like family so I cook food.
And it's hard, don't it?
Instead of having all the
Fast
fast
food.
all the time.
Parry. I know maybe too much to eat in that town here. It's hard to forget. If you even buy it and come, in Cobb, we have to end up a tray out for puppy them, and sometimes we puppy them not eat it. Them I want to eat. Right?
Certain things are right with it, like peas too tough for chicken to finish cook or
Not have no flavor. Man.
exactly. You wish you could have just like certain times you just walk around and like, oh, you don't really want a fast food.
Yeah, you
Maybe
just want that nice.
Yeah, either sometimes either the line them too long or you know you just
And
really
sometimes
not
you
in
just-
the mood.
You just not in the mood. Me as a mother and son and a wife, we cook no food.
Because sometimes you're not really in the mood for certain type of fast food.
You like eat?
Sometimes we don't like a little. Sometimes I would like sometimes most of the time if I'm not really eating fast food or so like Chinese food or some nice Chinese food or something like that. You get me like fried rice,
Yeah, it must never
sweet and
bad.
sour chicken, because something like that.
No, the shrimp is saying didn't I? Go.
Yeah, the sweet and
Or probably the shrimp that we did for the cooking, it was really good. See me a seafood, somebody did. And she said, Miss Debbie, wow. It was really good.
so stuff like that, but I don't know if it's
Yam
it's
dry.
because-
What you know about Jamaican yellow yam? Wow. Tell me that. The party still not get no water yet. And I know. Let me tell you nothing. You see how my mouth are going like Indian funny? Yeah. Really hard food is in the party. Real food. Angela, I tell you now. I know say she see this, you know. She hook me up with a message or something. Alright? And then I big up yourself. Sometimes I wonder if some food I eat and I buy out and eat. Let them not spend the time to prepare the food, you know, Parry? Oh yeah, go and eat a cabbage. Cabbage nice, the same cabbage was nice.
I'm good for now. Because have this little piece here and I meet here for later.
Then I mean, we have to
You
just
eat mine already?
Parry.
And look like
Come on, girl, I said, I just have them little piece of meat to eat. Like, you know, when you add that pressure to eat.
No, as in not, no, I'm finished. No, no. Okay.
And the mukbang camera girl, you know, she just come company. It was Kimmy and myself was supposed to do this, but without do a seafood something. Not really seafood boil, you know. But what we planned for do, it was raining and I never want to go town for go get it.
Do that one day, but
when we get it, we do it another time. And me and Kimmy are going to do that.
or the seafood.
I wanted it to a nice, to do a, I know that I really love that. But we're not going to give her what it is. The next time.
It's hard to get certain type of food out here.
No, you know, Paris, I'm telling you something. You see, downtown, them have some restaurant downtown. You know, some of them lane there. You see, when you pass and see the food them, can I say something to you as a person who have been cooking from my head and my knee? I can realize some food, when food tastes good, most of the time I can tell by the look. At some restaurant downtown, now some of them like a play corner there. Like some people don't cook some real food, you know. Sometimes when you pass and see the slice of yellow yam and the big steam snapper fish them, okra thing are gone, you know. But you can see it's properly prepared. I mean, no, and it's $100 and $300 for them. The look of it, they have to dig deep for come up and pay for that. But I don't mind. Once my food is properly done, I don't mind. What about you? I don't mind paying money for my food is properly done. For men, Paris.
At least it's worth it.
When you pass and see the people them, somebody eat them and eat them food, you can say, yeah man, special order.
When you're out here in Kingston sometime, mainly, and if you're going off the train, so you say, oh, if you feel like a stew peas or, you know, piece of fried chicken with it or something, and you're going to the place, then you realize, say, well, you see, it's not really all that. So that's why most of the time, we have to just go the fast food and done because it doesn't make no sense. We can buy it, it tastes good, waste some money, and then now we don't eat it, or we give our puppies and then we eat it. So it's basically a waste of food.
Waste of money.
It's just a waste of money and a waste of food, basically. So that's why. That's why sometimes when we go out and we don't really get what we want, we have to just stick with the fast food for now until we find something.
And then because we don't have any water now.
And yeah, because we don't have any water. If that's not the fact, we sit down, make a little sandwich for dinner or something like that.
I want a piece of cooked boiled bread food, Paris. A full one, not eat a piece of bread food today. Breast. So yeah, Paris, trying to get that, you know, everything ready by the end of this month to early next month. So whoever coming, you want to come and buy some of my food, you want to come and taste my food, hook me up. Hook me up at the time. And it's a cold evening though, Paris. It's cold Saturday evening. Wow. It's good. So my curry rich though, Paris. No, I'm telling you, Paris. If my curry not rich, I don't want it, you know. I don't know Mary, don't you? I'm going to eat a piece of banana, yeah? And I go done. And I go left the rest of my bambay. Who remember that? Bambay. Who remember that? Come on, girl, bambay. You don't know nothing. Tell me what you think bambay mean.
Yes, supper.
Eh?
Yes, supper.
Eat and left. You know, so we have left for eat and left. We have left for eat and left for later. Come in, Paris, you remember that word? Our bambay. We eat and left one dumpling and piece of banana and so. When we that country and we cook, when food cook too early, and nothing else, say Europeans say, you know, try me to eat and food, left some for bambay and come and have nothing more. Bambay. I eat and left. So, pardon, thank the Lord Jesus. It's my bambay. No comment, me go on well, because I come here with them, go to a plate of food. You know? So, long time we don't eat. This, when I'm doing a mukbang, just for me, you know, Kimara girl, them young and so, she one thing say, you know, she definitely like don't want to eat like cook food, you know. Sometimes, you know, Kimara girl is not a eater, no, I know that. She eats what she wants. She eats what she wants, like the shrimp. Yesterday, you know, she had pasta with it. She will love those. And then she make little pasta dishes and stuff. She do for her because she's a really picky little eater. From baby, she was a picky eater. Jerry was a picky eater too, you know, until about 15 years old. You know, really picky eater. Parry, when you have the picky eater them, it is the hardest thing. Comment. When you have the picky eater, some of the adults them are picky eater too. Comment. So, we have not done a mukbang for the longest while. And as I said before, if you can recall upon some videos, someone in my video or vlog, when I'm doing a mukbang, it must be strictly Jamaican food. Authentic Jamaican food. That when you see me eating, your mouth must drool. I'm sorry if it's drooling, but I want your mouth to drool. Pardon. I want to bring back the memories of when you were here. I want you to get up out of your bed, go season up some chicken and curry some chicken and knead some flour. You know? If you have yellow yam and banana in a fridge, sweet potato or whatever, and cook some food. Real Jamaican food. I don't want you to forget your cuisine. I don't want you to forget your food, your roots of your food. You know? So I like to do these when I do my mukbang to give you memory, to make you remember your Jamaican food. And as I said before, these are some. This is just a little tip of the iceberg to where you're going to get. You see what I'm saying? We're going to have the yellow belly sweet potato pudding on the house inside when you come and Christmas will come. Sorrel, black cake, the works. Gonna be here. Escoffish, you know it. We're coming to Parna. I said before, if anybody is watching and you feel like you want to give me a little donation for help that me can get, you know, faster. But as I told you, I am past 50% ready for anybody who want to come enjoy any little thing with me. So if you want to make a donation, if you want to find any way out, just hook me up and then we can talk, and from there you can probably give a strength, give a help. It's not a compulsory. I'm just sharing. And I know there are good parties up there who are going to hook me up. Yes, I'm telling you. So I think we're going to be ending this for now. This is how we end Mr. Parry. I'm not full enough. Okay, but you know, like to eat and have no. I probably if I had rice, I would be feel so. Cause I know the rice will more time bloat you. But me left this because I don't want it for hungry later. Because I say we don't have water, so I don't go cook again, you know. So later on, I just push this in the microwave, at it up, slap it up, and get another cup of water. And that I'm a bambai. Because about like 3 o'clock now.
After 3.
A little after 3, yeah. So we hope you have enjoyed this little mukbang. I hope I didn't make somebody mouth drool. If your mouth did drool, comment. I am very sorry for that, but I didn't want to know mouth for drool. And you know what? I ate for you and for myself. Because can I tell you, the curry shot. Me not tell a line of Paris. I mix so much. I la in this, you know. I mixed and I match. Some of the Paris then send curry for me, and me mix and me match. And I just want to say thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And there are some Paris out there that have reached out to me outside of YouTube. And can I tell you something? I just want to say thank you for your love. Thank you for the strength that you're giving me. Thank you all for your support. You know yourselves. I said I was going to call a few, but I'm not going to call any names. Just thank you. You know yourselves. Real Paris, real girls, real family we are, real Debbie, real food, real yard food. You know, so we're going to end it here. And I hope you did enjoy. And as I said, I hope you know the jewel. It is intended for you all to jewel, but I'm sorry. And we're going to leave it here for now. But never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.
Bye, guys.